Aloha. This is part 3 of DIY Get Organized, and this is about categories for your tools, fasteners, nuts, and bolts. Just remember, I do these videos on the fly from memory, and I'm old, so I put everything in the description. I build shelves and things for storage all over my garage. In the description, you'll see I have 15 main categories and about 10 subcategories. In my toolbox, I basically have SAE, metric, miscellaneous, general tools. Anyway, everything's in the description. Over here, I have all of my nuts and bolts in the subcategories. So I have, plumbing hardware. I have my Craig's jig, specialty electrical repair kit, air cutoff tools, down to the nuts and bolts, stainless, galvanized, washers, electrical hose clamps, wall fasteners, and then my paint locker. But y'all might have smaller or larger garages, but I think you get the gist. If you're doing a project, the last thing you want is not to find the tool, the fastener, or whatever else you need to finish the project. That's why I'm doing this series in the first place. Anyway, I'm running out of time. Aloha and stay safe.